You received your softbox in the mail. Now what? In this video, I'm going to show you how to put together your softbox, plus some cool lighting setups that you can use with your new fancy softbox. Let's get started. Hi, I'm Wonderful Ida. I'm a videographer and video trainer. I teach you how to film yourself so you can start creating profitable video content that actually grows your business. To start, let's build our softbox. And for the purpose of this video, when I'm talking about softboxes, I'm talking about the affordable lighting options that you can get from Amazon. These often come with one or multiple light bulbs. I suggest getting one that comes with multiple light bulbs because the light will be stronger. However, if you find that the light is too strong, you can always remove some light bulbs. Just make sure you unplug the light when you're removing the light bulb, and that once your light bulb is removed and the light is plugged in, you do not touch the socket where the empty light bulb is. So just some safety, making sure you don't hurt yourself on set. Most softboxes come with cheap stands like these, and there's two ways of opening them. You can either twist or unclip them. However, these stands aren't very sturdy, so I suggest getting a sandbag that you can put on top for extra safety. Most softboxes will include all the same elements. So there's going to be housing, light socket, diffusion, wire framing, light bulb, and a light stand. Let's set up the light stand first. So we're going to just loosen it. Here we're making sure that this is at a 90-degree angle. Tighten that there. And let's lift this up a little bit. And I'm just going to put this to the side as I set up the rest. Now is going to be time for the difficult part. This is going to be stressful, and just brace yourself. It's annoying, but once it's done, it's ready to go. So we're going to get the housing and we're going to put the wire frame in it. I'm going to show you something about the wire. So when you have the wire, it's closed like this, and when you want to open it, you just have to pull that and then snap it in there. And then to open it again, you just pull it and snap it out. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the housing on it, and then we're going to snap it closed. So I'm going to put the housing, stick it in, and then I'm just going to secure it at the end here. So I'm going to tighten that Velcro. Now let's open it up. There we go, snapped right in. So now we just gotta get these into the corners. So you're gonna start with one, and so you have the wire, and then you have the end piece here. So it's just like camping. You just wanna stick the wire into its little home. Once you get the first one, you're gonna want to go to the opposite corner next. That was an easy one. Victory! Okay, so now we have two sides left, and so it doesn't really matter which one you go into first. That one was easy too. There we go. They're all on. Victory! Okay, so let's put that down and let's bring in our light stand. So we've got our light stand. Next thing we want to do is put in our light socket. So get rid of the wire. So you're going to want to put that on top here. The reason that the top goes in like that is so that the screw can catch in there and it won't slide, and the light is more secure. So stick that in there and then tighten it. There we go. Now we can put the housing on it. Just stick it through the hole. There you go. And then the light bulb. Once the light bulb's in there, it's time for the diffusion. With the diffusion, you're going to want to start with the top first. So top corners and then go on to the bottom. Now you just gotta plug in the light bulb. And we're ready to start filming. Depending on how many lights you have, you're gonna have different lighting setup options. So we're gonna start with 1 light and then work our way up to 3 lights to show you the different setups that you can do. With 1 light, you're gonna wanna have it in front of you, slightly higher than you, tilted down. You can have it directly above the camera and then the light's coming down on you, or you can have it slightly to one side or the other. The main point of having the light above you, tilted down, is that it's gonna create a nice shadow under your chin. And if you have the lights more on the side rather than in the center, then it's going to create a nice shadow and more depth on the other side of your face. With 2 lights, you can either put both lights in front of you and you can have them equal distance on both sides. This is going to create a nice flat look on your face. If you want to add more contrast, then all you have to do is move 1 light further away. So we're going to move this light back. As you can see, it's adding a little bit more contrast on this side of my face. This is the other way you can set up your 2 lights, one in front and the other in the back. You're basically creating an Ida sandwich. You want them on opposite corners of each other, and the great thing about this is that it creates a nice hairline which helps separate you from your background. Now this is the famous 3 light setup. So there's 2 in the front and 1 in the back. The ones in the front can be evenly spaced if you want to create a more even look on your face. However, to make it more cinematically correct, you're going to want to move one of those lights back. So let's move that light back, and there you have it. So I have the nice frame light, I have 1 key light right here, and then I have another light coming here that's a little bit further back that's creating a nice contrast on my face. Do you want to make videos but hate talking to camera? I can help. Sign up for my free Film Yourself Challenge where I teach you how to get comfortable talking to camera. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit the like button, or better yet, leave me a comment. I have new videos out every Wednesday. Until next time, peace! However, these aren't the most sturdy stands, so I suggest getting sandbags to put on top of them for some extra safety.
Sandbags.
Sandbags.